Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about how to edit and enhance photos on Auto with Evoto AI. If you're interested, keep on watching. And before we start, please go ahead and like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. The company Evoto AI has launched new photo retouching tools that leverage the latest in AI technology to help photographers and other creators rapidly edit and modify their photos. The new tool features an affordable credit-based pricing, semantic for users, letting them use a series of AI tools that promise powerful editing effects for enhanced workflows. According to Evoto, adding cutting-edge effects has never been so easy. The Evoto AI photo editing tools comes with a range of features for editing and retouching photos individually or en masse. Here are some of its features. Portrait retouching. Auto detects the subject's face, gender, and age. AI imperfection removal tools, plus full control when you want it. Dedicated AI face resculpting and reshaping. And realistic digital makeup. You also have background adjustments, AI sky replacement if there's a sky, clean backdrop in one click, and AI headshots background changer. Next, advanced color editing. All the basic tools you need and expect: exposures, tone, contrast, HSL, curves, and more. Smooth processing, and live preview, as well as before and after. You also have exclusive presets. It's just not an AI software program without some exclusive presets. Batch processing. You can sync all your settings and batch process in a folder. You can also use the star rating as well as copy and paste settings. Editing your photos using Evoto AI is very easy. To edit and enhance photos on Auto with Evoto AI, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Upload your photo. Visit the Evoto AI website or open Evoto AI app on your device. Upload the photo that you want to edit and enhance by following the instructions provided. Step 2. Choose Auto Editing Mode. Once your photo is uploaded, select the Auto Editing Mode or option from the available editing presets. Evoto AI uses artificial intelligence algorithms to automatically enhance and optimize your photo based on its analysis of various factors, such as color balance, exposure, sharpness, and more. Step number 3. Review and customize. After the auto editing process is complete, you will be presented with a preview of the edited photo. Review the changes made by Evoto AI and compare it with the original photo. If needed, you can further customize the edits using the available tools and adjustments provided by Evoto AI, such as brightness, contrast, saturation, and etc. Step number 4. Save and download. Once you are satisfied with the auto edits or any additional adjustments you've made, you can save and download the edited photo in a preferred format and resolution. Lastly, step number 5. Share or print. Finally, you could share your edited and enhanced photo on social media platforms, print it, or use it for any other purpose as desired. And there you have it, how to edit and enhance photos on Auto with Evoto AI. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can build high productivity teams with modern workforce analytics and tracking? Yes, just by using DoTeam, a time and productivity tracker that helps your team members deliver the best every day. Take your team to its full productivity levels with DoTeam. Build your success with teams that execute better. You can do employee monitoring, product and task tracking, detailed reports, and accurate timesheets. With DoTeam, you get amazing features like time tracking, where you can track your employees' computer activity, website usage, and app usage with screenshots. Project and task tracking. Get to know the time spent on tasks. Responsible tracking and monitoring. Tracking is done with full disclosure to all stakeholders. And you have an amazing admin area with detailed reporting and analytics, and with 24 hours customer support. So what are you waiting for? Try DoTeam now. Just go to getdoteam.in. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.